5, 6, 7, 8. Down by the lake in a hanky pan, go boom shot boom from bank to bank, cause you your mama, you go pink, I don't remember the words, but if you do, please put your boy on game, because I don't remember it. So in the comment section, that's already your first task. So it's your boy ATG, Nemo the Fishman, Neems, Traumatic, Nick Fury, Foolies Fridays, and that's what you're rocking with right now, where I'm gonna give you motivation every Friday, whether you like it or not, to encourage you to be great and live out your dreams and goals. And that's what the CEO of Foolies shall do. So my message is simple, and I hope it's crystal clear for you guys, but it's a reminder because you guys tend to act like you'll never, ever get to your dreams. So the message is, you will get there. Please, 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 get it in your thick skull. You will get there. What you're doing is you're comparing yourself to people who are doing well. You're comparing yourself to people who are making it. You're comparing yourself to what you see from people's social media pages. And you're looking at your life and saying, I'm not where I need to be, and I need to da-da-da, and I'm not sure. Stop it. You will get there. Take your time. Let your craft manifest itself and get better. Every single day, be working on your craft. Every single day, be working on your craft. Harness your skill sets. Be building that empire. And it may take a long time. It may take 10, 20, 30, 40 years before you truly reach your prime. So please be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be compassionate to yourself. If you were talking to your friend, you would tell them, girl, you got this, you're good, keep grinding, keep going. Why don't you be that same motivational person you are for your homies, for you? Why is it that your homies get all of this love and compassion and you tell them don't be so hard on themselves, but you beat yourself down? It doesn't make sense. It don't make no sense. I don't understand what's wrong with y'all. The same love and attention and compassion you give to your best friend, your homies, the people you love, the students you mentor, give that same compassion to you. You will get there. It will take time, but you gotta grind and you gotta hustle and you gotta get up earlier in the morning, and you might have to lose just 30 minutes of sleep. Just 30 minutes. You might have to spend an extra 10 to 15 minutes on your dream. Give your dream 10, 15, 20 minutes of your time every day. Be hacking away slowly. Save the money you need. Cut out the fast food. Start putting your mind and attention on the things you're trying to get to. Be reading books. Be reading podcasts. Be doing stuff to help flourish and nourish your mind. Every single thing you do will help you get closer to that dream. So on your downtime, that's when it really counts. When whatever you do on your downtime, when you have those 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes of doing nothing, that's when we see who you are. That's how we know what you're going after. By all the little things in your downtime that you're doing. That's how I know you'll be great. Period. And your thoughts. Set your thoughts up for success. Write quotes everywhere that's going to uplift you and empower you. Doesn't mean you're going to feel good every day. Never said that. You might still feel like crap with all of your motivational thoughts and quotes, but you won't let yourself stay there and manifest in that space. You will get there. You will get there. You will get there. Now work, please. No more watching other people. Cut off the social media. Get off the TV channels. You've watched a lot of This Is Us this season. Now go do something for your craft. You got a script you need to be writing and you watching somebody else's show. You got a book you need to be writing and you reading somebody else's book. You got a YouTube series you need to be doing and yet you watching somebody else's YouTube series. After this video is over, say, you know what, Alex? You know what, Nemo? ATG, Neems, Nemo the Fishman, he's right. Time to go to work. Monday morning, whatever it is, put it out. And then tag me. Monday morning, drop your blog, then tag me. Monday morning, put out that LLC or whatever you're doing and hit me up on a message and say, Alex, I did it. You're right. I was taking too long. Monday morning, tell me you applied to that law school, to that med school, to that PhD program, to that master's thing you've been trying to do. Monday morning, say, hey, I registered for that session with a personal trainer because I need to take my stuff to the next level. Monday morning, tell me that you got your coaching session set up with some coaching person that you've been needing to reach out to for months now. Give me some results. In the comment section, because I'm done. In the comment section, I want you to place if you have any baby photos by random chance, put it in the comment section if you have a baby photo. And that's it, man. It ain't about me, it's about God. Y'all holla at your boy. Y'all be good. Peace.